May they suffer. May go carry fan. Not be made they go fan. You want live big life. For Europe now, say see no. The music we consider do not concentrate. Ma Jack McMayo to be one mamu where you want. My sister, your sister will carry you come Europe. If they say Muna not they ungrateful, Muna not they keep person we do now good now the year. Carry your sister now. You say your sister not feel build that school for your mama. You they forbid me you go build that for your mama. Who and what? I get brother like you will be so now. We call the same time we take him. I they proud of him. How we not in your way. If they do well, where even stand, say you know if you stand. You not put you for my body, say I want how they do everything for them. Anybody will see they give you easy boy money now. Now get good man pass. I'm not see they give him money. No go beg your sister. Now only your sister go fit help you. If you go meet her now, go apologize to her. Everything go do good. Don't be say you go apologize to her today. Tomorrow you still go insult her. No go up. Now only your sister. Your sister, if you show love to your sister, you respect your sister. You not go even come public or they beg. That's the way you carry and push social media for the talk for real. Go beg her, sister, sorry. And if you get beg her, you beg her with your sincere heart.
I greet everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, bros.
I greet you. Thank you for the advice we did give easy. If easy, try me you listen. So nobody they happy for person downfall. Now where you for bring your sister calm down.
This one they use me to for up.
You know? You have to go and beg your sister and this until your talk. Beg on me forgive. You know be tomorrow now you cause still the insult and people where they help you, you still the insult there. And they not good. Really, I feel for you where I see you say you go back home because it's not really easy, you know. So for you have to be pleasing people to help you, not to be insulting people. And people with the insult and people with the Europe.
People will use their knock ground and I will see they give them money.
No, you know, many people are not like that. They just want to help, you know. But easy now you go still they insult people, say people with the Europe, they don't know what they do, this. You know, say the Europe not easy, you stay in Europe already, so you know how it be. At least you still they talk sense, they put for our head we still the Europe. We not decide the way you take go back. As you go back, now good plan you still make because you want to make something good change for yourself, not to come and insult people with they abroad, blah blah blah, those kind of things. You know me really make sense. 10,000 and money, 20,000 and money, anybody can help you. So even though you beg the money can't give you, but you know we they give explanation where they enter, you know. Please, you're trying to change your way. I like you, not because I don't like you. I don't hate you because you decide, you know.
Nobody know they there for situation, but so, not the way they do so.
Not the way they do so. Come I say, you know. The person want help you, brother, you know, stress you, and you're trying to do best and beg your sister and change your way to insult people with even though the women. Everybody is good. Europe not easy. You know Europe system. You know easy. Even the time where you stay to make things to good for yourself before you can't say you don't be you can't be Europe person say you don't stand. You know easy, my brother. It take time Now let that one alone, bro. Now let that.
You no sir, you carry am down. You say yes.
But my people wanna support me, I feel buy this knocker beg. Anything I feel I will appreciate that beg.
Easy boy, I know. I think we like it for what you. Raggy akawata lo na bro.
I party me.
Bro.
If I let me keep our best, man. No me people like they advise me. Not people they advise me. Pandemic people they meet we not condemn.
I don't think you want me to say it finish before you do it today on mind.
I beg when I help me, I beg. I go back no time. Not true. Okay. Okay, mama.
I
Okay.
will come on Monday.
Okay. Okay.
I'm going to church tomorrow.
Okay. No wahala. No wahala. No problem.
Jonas, not be bro. No only one understand I go fit be.
See, be the thought you they drop me. Are you okay? You the crazy? You say, me Lord, you go and check my profile. You mad? You think I'll be push and start?
Me personally, I know say we don't try.
Now you don't receive their alert. I know what you they see. You need people that be if the prayers. Now when you die, you need people to celebrate you. When you die, they not go celebrate you.
Easy boy, we know say not dey easy for you at the moment. Now make your lay be
For
easy
people
boy.
to help you, they go mock you. For people to help you, they go use take drink beer. They go use your matter take drink beer. They gossip you.
You know. But sometimes how we take care easy.
I dey tell you this part, bro. I be Bini, you not Bini. I want to tell you the truth, The most useless people in Nigeria are Bini people. I dey tell you this part. No go accept it on a
You know, so the share, so the share blood for our land well that year for this European way blood don't share for that land Wey you not forget people don't die. This they don't share blood for that land well. So we dey try one couple everything together. People be as one, you know. Am can I do a divide? Yeah, we get to go render that to you.
Bro, if I tell you, I'm not easy boy. I'm not easy boy. You know what I know? You know that thing where I know as a day. What I know pass me, bro. A pella where they do marriage today. Guess what kind of place where he reach? But if not Benin person reach there, they'll in your way me done. But can a pella send him away me rock? Yeah, why go make one bro say when panic bro say man rest everywhere good. Man rest. If you well, we might even get doje. We might even get doje. If you well, I mean, if you see Benin perfectly, they fuck you.
We don't see rise now. A few years, so for over 3 years, so we don't see rise go up. You see Rema
And
now,
then they talk,
this
they
very.
love themselves. You see, my bad. They do that, say they love themselves. They talk not to my Benin person. Now allow that way they talk not reaching man. You by the talking for mouth when they say you like a Benin person.
Try right now for over 4 years, 2 years. Why I don't see this Rema? Some people don't go up.
One of the phone herself and okay for the full Nigeria, who their king don't come and swear for this thing for Europe. Say may they carry person go Europe, may they pay my die. For the full Africa, who go?
Anyway, you know, we say you small where this thing starts. They don't use the money raise you for Africa.
No rest. Who their king don't swear say may they pay my die again for the full Nigeria.
We know say these things happen before we reset grow up.
For the full Nigeria, where countries and countries they fight, where for the keep person pass.
But the mentality, I don't feel answer those ones now. You they give me questions.
No worry, I'm not talking anything. I they ask you question now. I never talk anything. I they ask you question. For the full Nigeria, for the full Europe now, single month away many pass for Europe. Which tribe?
I feel say now Nigeria, but I feel still say Nigeria, Benin.
Bros, I will bring you back.
Don't Benin now.
I'll bring you back. No worry. I know they like people when they fear to talk. See, one day you person go die, you go leave this world. Not they fear to talk. Not they fear me. I know they fear anything as I day. What I want to talk, I go talk. I yes, you kill me. Finish. I don't talk what I want to talk. Now you know what I don't talk. You don't feel the verse on the day. You don't kill me. They go, but I don't talk what I want to talk. Understand? For the full Europe, who single mother, the tribe where many parts of single mother, which tribe? For the full Europe, who put man pass for prison, who put men pass for prison for the full Europe? Not be Benin people. Now they see, una go see truth now go dey hard now. Check many things why they talk, because person don't want they talk. Person don't want they talk. I wish God, I will fit turn myself to Igbo person. I will turn myself to Igbo. Igbo people, they support themselves, they help themselves. Benin person, you go see how you want to go fight, go draw you down. If you help Benin person people for work, you go fast want to pursue for that work. Now you help Benin person people for work, oh, he now go the fast want to pursue for the work. You not gonna understand. If you help Benin person people for work, Benin people, they now jealousy for their blood, jealousy. If you help her for your work, your working place for the work, now he go pursue you for the bet. If you help Benin person put for us, you go rape your wife. You go start to knock your wife. And they follow you, they talk, they use emotion. You know they pass me. Don't be me, they sing Benin music for them. I don't know the kind of people. Sing Benin music for Benin people. Benin people go love your music, but they don't go love who sing. They go love make us sing now, they go like the song, but they don't go like me, we get the music. That cause I not see another tribe marry a guy, cause na Benin person I want marry. For me to marry Benin, may God punish me. If I try and say I marry Benin woman, may God punish me. If I try and marry Benin woman, may God punish me. They swear for me. For those characters on the perform, make I go marry Benin woman tomorrow. My sister come carry and go Europe. Make go they do a shower. They let me one with the 3 children. Then if I marry Benin woman finish and my pikin go there 5 years, 6 years, my wife go to teach them to do a shower. When they go they follow small boy, when they give them money. Useless, you make a rest. Well, which tribe many pass for Europe? Which tribe? Not Benin people. Idiot. If you be Benin boy, go marry Ghana, go marry Colombia, go marry Senegal, go marry another tribe. Don't marry Benin women. They'll call you, they will say, oh, tell me, where was Zedo? Where Zedo? Go boy, why? Who's Zedo like me? Why, Fia, where was Zedo? Do boy. I got Zedo, where was Zedo? No wahala now. No worry, I pray may God give me big platform. Make God give me big platform. This is me, I don't know what they do. I know what they do. I just want me to get big platform first. Make I destroy things. If once I post like this, on that 1 hour I don't get like 2 million views. I go destroy things that time. $100 fuck up, not the sour. See what it them, all those them, you rate them, no get with they do all those stuff. This I forget. I not forget to. All of the day my pray. This I forget. $100 fuck up, not the sour. Wanna support me, and tomorrow I want open here. Wanna support me. I dey Benin, everybody they do. I enter Yoruba land. Yoruba land start they favor me. I dey see things. I see the way people take serious. I start they do things. Yoruba land favor me. Pass Benin. Not help me, my people. When they phone, say I be Benin person. Try me now. Just try me. Make I sell down, carry your name, go studio. Ni more bug boy studio. Where I see one in now where my son now where my van. In now where my mobile now where my mobile. uzuo ute we went to nisuta agbon eme o agbon eme mo to bo me so e iwa yere me calculate ya iye si wa si went to e be re ma na wa si went to e ha e ne wa so npa umeme uzuo na me say I don't want to sing Benin music again. I don't want to sing Benin music again. All those evil people are going to sing Benin music for them. They're going to dance put. For me to sing Benin music, I go sing. Anything I want to talk for Benin, I'll tell my wife, baby, tell me for Igbo. He go tell me for Igbo. I go use Igbo language to singer. Yes, I prefer to use Igbo language to singer for me to go to Benin singer. Evil people. The way I hate all those people, for Baba what they do, they go just see you say they go through something. For them to help you, they go they curse you. Wicked people, junkie, pandemic people who they lick milk way roti. They go they lick milk way roti. They will say that they enjoy. People will be say they go they like they go they waka where they go reach, they go turn. They go turn. If they turn, they side they eat back, they waka junkie. So milk now they leak. The day where you marry Benin woman, and that day you dig your grave. Not let anybody deceive you. The day where you marry Benin woman, and that day you dig your grave. I tell you for free. You not go know now. Later you go know. Evil people. Muna help me. Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. Muna help me. You know why I know they fear? Not be even Benin people they support me. Not be them. Now why I know they fear? I can talk anything. You say people will see help me. I will see show they alert. Now another tribe they help me. Not be even Benin people. Now jealousy them be. All the Benin people now they jealous. See me say you don't get hotel for Lagos. Then they heavy me. They will say, oh, me will not get hotel. And I me want to help people get hotel. Then they heavy me now. Now the Benin person want to come and say me help me. Now another tribe want even help me. Not be Benin. If you dey wait for me Benin people help you, you go die. You go dead there for it. But Muna help me, my people. Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. If I say my people, don't be Benin, they follow talk, or those bad cars, I'm gonna carry and go that side. Those are bad head, bad behavior. When they carry, they go that side. I'm talking to Yoruba, Calabar, Unsa, Delta, cross many. Now, apart from Benin, the rest people now they talk to. Come on, Benin for there. I talk to the rest people, but they're not good. Well, now show love, I beg. Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. All those evil people. Oh, I go.
Easy boy, not be your platform. I come just now you beg because they not help you again. Now you dey cause them back.
May God punish the Benin people. Don't worry now. After my show, now Benin people me once I the cost. Now no cost of that tribe again. Now Benin people once I want face. Yes. Waiting what happen may happen. I want face Benin people. Make I first do my party finish. May God punish you now. Junkie. Pandemic people. When I help anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate my people.
Man, there you go, no. My hand, there you go, no, now. Go shit for your mouth. Oh, man.
Come on, they don't catch thief. You thief? What do you do, thief? Yeah, they flog and go. Bring down my boss bottle for here. Don't see where they beat it. Go see one point. They don't bust the ears for them. Not the thief. Now criminal, they don't beat them. I, you know, I wish I could see and I bought up for your boss for here. That's how they vest now. Mona help me. Where the key? Mo lock this gate. You feel lock this gate. Lock and you feel lock am. I up mat. Me I dey outside in daybreak. I don't dey sleep. Lock the gate. I dey here. Mona help me. Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. Where key? Now you drive and call your son. I bring key me. All those are shower. Shower. That thief na Benin person, I go thief where they beat now. See am, see what they do person. Benin people they be evil. See am, make I show you something. He get one boy where deport himself. See am. So they not be deport himself, they deport him from Europe. I want to show you something. Cannot get the video again. I'm not forward that. Okay. But see the way God forbid though. Wanna help me? Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. That mat where I take up, me I throw me for mat. 12. Throw that speed for mat. What are you doing now? Anytime. Where my way? You saw it. Gonna help me, anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. Anything I feel do for me, I go appreciate. I beg. These pandemic people, junkie, barbarians. Ìwé ṣòwò ẹ̀dùn èèyàn máa rí àwàzẹ̀ jealousy people. Ìyẹn náà yàtọ̀ wọ́wọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wà àjọ ìrírí ronú ẹ̀ yà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣọ̀rọ̀ àwàzẹ̀. Ẹ̀ ṣò ìyàwó náà òtẹ́ ìyá ké náà náà rẹ̀ wọ́n wá kú ẹ̀ ibi Yorùbá yàwó ẹ̀ mẹ́mẹ́. Ìkànnà ìrí sóni mẹ́. Yo, ẹ wọrí náà. Dọ̀wọ́ ẹni yà náà. Jealousy Benin people go say you come back for Europe we support am and this boy go burst everywhere o dem no go this I send you now I no see send you now I still dey do my thing dey go no be Lagos I dey so no worry I dey proud of myself I don make name for Lagos as I dey here for the area for the this people don know me no be say na for the full Lagos or for the area people don know me me sef no small for the area tomorrow you sef go confirm here say omo everywhere this guy after na comot body o dey craze I mean I come dey follow na dey do all those jealousy wey na dey do for Benin you go say Benin I be Benin boy una wey dey jealous una sef. Una help me beg anything una do for me I go appreciate. Many as I dey say make dey help me na some Benin people na their prayer point na many boy no help me na be their prayer point you say many boy no help am 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 na be their prayer point no worry dem go help me and you go get heart attack. Nobody will help you. God will help me. You are not a God. Now normal human being you be. Evil people. Who help you? Ogun go kill am. Ogun no go kill am because not be you work the money for am. Okay?
You no deserve it. That matter you talk say Benin people matter. You go regret that word you talk. That word you talk so you go come apologize for that word you talk. Or let's say no be say Benin, me know your fear. You must go apologize. Me know your fear. If I don't meet you again, you still go beg. You say I can't lie just now. You dey beg because you don't get 200 or something people they watch you. They talk anyhow. They cause Benin people. Benin people be saying that they still got the help you for this live stream. We be saying you for not die since. All those boys they say money like not Benin they speak for the way they beg your money. They don't help you because you don't get banana. But we say you never even start. You don't know where they go for the come.
Ogun go kill you, kill the Benin people. Ogun go kill you, kill the Benin people. Idiot. Na so you man people dey talk. I wish you there now. You carry gun, I will buy you through away. The Chris.
Nonsense people. Very anyhow human being. Oh, busy.
Who you dey talk to?
Come on, close your dirty mouth in bedside.
Ogun ọgbìjú ẹ ọjọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan wá fi hàn wò. Aṣáwo uwe náà wíyà. If you no help me, go and die with your help. If you want to help me, help me. If you no want to help me, go and die. Okay? Fakulo the man da.
How far, bro?
I dey hear you.
How your side?
My side don dey fine.
Bro, I know. But just take am easy. Wetin me see there be say which help you really need?
Support me with anything. Na tomorrow I wan open my hotel.
Oh, you wan open your hotel? I been a bar.
Na hotel, na bar and hotel.
Congratulations. But I be Benin person. I don't know whether I fit help you.
Oya dey go na if you no wan help, go.
No.
Leave here. Hello? Don't measure Benin for my live video. If you measure Benin for my live video, I block you. If you measure Benin for my live video, I will block you. Go and lie. If you like me, don't send me money before. Anything make you measure Benin for my live video, I will block you straight up. Don't dey waste time. Go dey do your Benin this thing for that side. I don't do it for here.
These intros are so bad. It's best if we just get started. There has been a channel completely blowing up on YouTube called His Story. It makes my good friends Hussein, Vinye, Icy Connor, and John react to them already, and now it's my turn. I've seen a few clips.
So tomorrow the DJ when you want to
So without further ado, buy chocolate, grab your bags, and let's go.
I became my school's hero for 1 minute before everyone watched.
You got carried away by it. We're like 4 seconds in and already it's just pure chaos.
I don't play.
Like how you want me the event be, as in how you want to give out free drinks for people. I want to know I want to support you now.
I don't. You want support? Not stress me. Not do all those nonsense here. You ask me question. Now your question, I want solve one for me. Help me if you want help me. Don't ask me any question. I don't need that. See the account number there.
Bro, how far, bros? Easy boy, they hear me.
Talk, I hear you.
Why you dey drop me? The tension where I take on here. Now Netherlands I dey also for my money. I come here say I want help you.
If you go Netherlands, I make carry you go Netherlands.
Wait nah, I come here say I want help you. I don't think for my say might send you like 50 card, me you see to owe yourself based on you don't tell why I see they wash you. But the way you can't like they drop me, bro, not be so now. Me and you fair the quarrel.
I do want to make I appreciate you, I tell you sorry.
Bro, no they do like that. I ain't a be at all at all.
Understand? Not try and make you. No, because you want
I don't what is anime, but you said you don't do nothing. Your account number be this.
No speak if you speak, bro. For the last one, if you speak beneath for my life,
they crazy. No, shut up your man because I deserve to talk to you. What you are, what better with you?
For your eye, idiot. No speak beneath for my life video. Beneath kill you there, idiot, junkie. You speak beneath for my life video, Ogu will kill you, junkie. Quand you come they speak beneath, oh man, on j'ai bien dans un jeu qui t'a. Ocean. And they speak beneath for my live video. Ouais. Sure. Now you best send me money so. These are not be human being. Who send me 10K? I appreciate that so much. God bless you. Your pocket not go dry. Thank you so much. Not be human being be this one. So this one a Benin person. She not that tribe be this one. May God punish you there. Who tell you say Benin people they help? Not mad them. They don't they help. Another tribe they help. After another tribe don't help you, don't come to like say now they help you. Not be there. Don't.
I dey try to do am, e no dey work. You wait till tomorrow, yeah? If I do, I go send you the receipt for your DM.
No wahala.
Okay. Abeg, Mona forgive easy boy, oh please, Mona help abeg. Na beg me dey beg, na beg. Mona no follow till dey talk, abeg. Please. Please, oh. Na see our brother, please. Me dey beg for a behalf now.
I hope you not be Benin.
No, I'm from Delta State, I'm from Warri.
Not speak Benin here, oh.
But na there you for come na, abeg, Mona help am, please. Me dey beg, Mona forgive am, abeg.
I'm not from Edo State, I'm not from Benin State, I'm from Colombia.
Abeg, go abeg, please. Mona have a nice day, good night.
That be Benin. Avec mon agnon origine avie, origine a quoi? Oya agnon origine. Oh, que veut dire assez tué.
Hello, easy boy. What's up?
What happen?
How far?
What happen?
How far, my guy?
Who be your guy?
How far is the winner?
How far?
Who be your guy? Why me?
Ah, you mean you not fairly tell before? I only get easy boy. How far? You say a guy a different. Which one call they say who be your guy? You know, you also not be guy like me. You not be man. You not be man. You be woman.
I not be your guy. No talk and way. I not be your guy. I don't know you before.
You don't know me before.
You know me. You want help me? I be come mock me. Which one you want do? Send money.
Easy boy, which one be your account here?
Your account kill you there. You dey crazy. You will be junkie. We pour a glass for eye.
Yep.
Now you want help me?
Your papa precolo.
Oh, your coco. But now you are going again with. I'm going again with. I'm going again with. For no do atalo with TikTok. Wow. Ya my glass ya o. Ya la try my day ticket to fi anwo. Hello, how far bro? Not laugh for you. See why you dey laugh?
How far? What you thought you dey laugh now?
Yeah, leave here to laugh. Go laugh for that side. Àwọn àwọn sagin wo. Eri be sagin koko. wa ngo sergeant ko fo ne sergeant we wa iwe ngo awe junkie na wa se ngo sergeant ko o ma ibu se wona so anwo ga ewe tó hàn mú ẹ tí àlóyè ìwó wá wọ́n hàn mú ẹ ẹ tí àlóyè tó hàn mú ẹ mẹ̀kúrí wa mana délé anájí níwà ní wọn bá náà yàrá tí wọn mi gbọ́ ọ̀bọ̀n ẹ̀ sójà wà láǹdì pólísì wà láǹdì ẹ̀ wọ́n ìkòbókò gẹ̀ ẹ̀ yà gbọ́ à.